Hello, wonderful viewers. Once again, we are welcome to a groundbreaking moment in Ghana's medical history. So please, watch the video now and we'll be right back.
I am currently in a different world, a world of virtual reality where I am in a computer-generated environment with views and objects that appear to be real, immersing me in my newfound surrounding. This technology, which is used to play games and explore Facebook's metaverse, among others, has come to impact the medical field not only in developed countries but also in Ghana.
I think it's your right a little bit. Yeah.
Here at the Greater Accra Regional Hospital, it's a novelty for the medical center to have augmented and virtual reality systems to aid neurosurgeons.
So this is something we actually want to introduce into our learning process in the country because this is the future of medicine.
Matthew and Patience have a relative about to undergo a complex surgery to remove a brain tumor. Amid fears and anxiety, Professor Samuel Kaba allows them to enter the world of virtual reality to understand their relative's condition.
So we play with it, we can rotate it, we have the chance to look at it from different angles and everything.
It is so great. It's a different world altogether. I saw things in a different way from a distance but closer to me, and I could see the brain in there.
Seeing the scans, the tumor looks a little bit smaller, but with this you see it's very big, it's very clear, and I'm sure it will help the doctors to know what to do better.
Normally when you do an X-ray or CT scan or MRI, you have a 2D in front of you. You can't actually see behind it. But this one you can see behind, you can see from top, bottom, up, down. So we think it's extremely important for that. And it's extremely good for patient care. It actually ups the quality of care we give to our patient.
CT and MRI scans are put into a 3D model that can be analyzed and manipulated. The VR headset allows interaction with the patient's anatomy by being able to see and manipulate a 360-degree virtual reconstruction. It's the day of surgery.
To hold it, okay?
Yes.
And turn it anyhow.
It's a complex surgery due to the size of the tumor and takes over 8 hours. When the going gets tough at a certain point, virtual and augmented reality come in handy to aid the team of medical professionals.
Okay, go to the next after this one. The other, good, that one. Exactly the position in which we are now.
The Greater Accra Regional Hospital is using patient-specific 3D virtual reality technology for direct patient engagement. Through this technology, surgeons can practice the procedure using images of the actual patient, allowing them to map out the exact path they will take during the surgery.
Especially for ENT, we work in a complex area, base of skull, lateral base of skull, and anterior base of skull. So it will be very helpful in teaching and then decreasing accidents in surgery.
It is hoped that this will translate into an improvement in the quality of life of patients in developing countries. Portia Gabo, TV3 News, Greater Accra Regional Hospital, Accra.
As we continue to explore the remarkable advancements in healthcare happening right here in Ghana and the world at large. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories of medical breakthrough.